We are Pilgrim. Discover world's best beauty secret. So guys, in this today's video, I will be showing you my top 5 picks from Pilgrim. So this first one is my very favorite Illuminating Moisturizer. Not just a skincare but makeup too. It's very perfect to use as a highlighter on your cheeks or your collarbones. And this bubblegum lip serum, OMG. Most underrated gem at Pilgrim is this bubblegum lip serum. Next is this vitamin C face serum. Gives a glowing brighter skin in just 5 days and it is clinically tested to deliver glowing and brighter skin. Yet another top pick from Pilgrim, green tea hair growth serum. Gives positive results in hair. This one is Pilgrim Smoothening Shampoo. It tames frizz in just one wash. I know you're also loving these products and you want to buy it out. Go to their website and you can also use my coupon code PHAUL15 to get extra benefits and discounts. This vitamin C face serum for daily brightness comes with 5% niacinamide, gives a glowing brighter skin in just 5 days. Green tea advanced hair growth serum gives positive results in hair. Great thing about this product, it is non-greasy. Illuminating Rosy Dew Moisturizer gives an instant rosy glow with SPF protection. Vitamin C, it's very perfect to use as a highlighter. By just opening it, you will be a die-hard fan of this bubblegum flavored lip balm. It hydrates and softens our lips. Now comment me your favorite pick from Pilgrim. And you can also use my coupon code PHAUL15 to get extra benefits and discounts.